Montgomery County has a goal to reduce waste and recycle more, aiming for zero waste. All residents living in apartments and condominiums in Montgomery County must recycle. By reducing waste and recycling everything that can be recycled in the county, we will help protect our land, air, and water. Let's take a look through some areas in your home and see what types of recyclable materials are found and what materials are required to be recycled. Mixed paper must be recycled. This includes newspapers and inserts, magazines and catalogs, hardcover and paperback books, milk cartons, juice and drink boxes, unwanted mail and envelopes, and all other types of clean, dry paper. All of those cardboard boxes that come from moving, storage, and online and other purchases must also be recycled in Montgomery County. It's recommended to break down cardboard boxes before placing them into the mixed paper and cardboard recycling containers at your property. There are lots of food and beverage containers in your home that are recyclable, such as glass bottles and jars, plastic bottles and jars, and even cups, lids, containers, and buckets. Aluminum cans and foil products, metal, steel, and tin cans, and empty non-hazardous aerosol cans are also recyclable. Be sure to remove all caps and lids and empty and lightly rinse bottles, jars, and containers before placing them in the recycling bin at your property. Scrap metal items ranging from small items, including silverware, tools, pots and pans, to larger items such as filing cabinets, bicycles, metal patio furniture, irons, and lamps must also be recycled. Look for designated scrap metal recycling collection containers and storage areas at your property. Your property is also required to recycle yard trim. Any yard trim generated, including leaves, prunings, and grass clippings, must be recycled by multifamily properties. Your property may be composting these yard trim materials on-site, or they may be recycled by a lawn care service provider. Multifamily properties can also grass cycle their grass clippings. Leaving grass clippings on the lawn when mowing adds valuable nutrients back into the soil. After the holiday season, residents who were permitted to have live Christmas trees must be able to recycle their trees. Properties must designate a special collection container or storage area for residents to recycle their Christmas trees. And now that you know what materials must be recycled, here are a few tips to help you to recycle right. Remember to keep the following items out of the recycling containers at your property and properly recycle or dispose of these materials instead. Do not place any type of plastic marked with the number 6 in the recycling containers at your property. Those number 6 plastics are polystyrene or styrofoam plastics and are not recyclable in Montgomery County. These should be disposed of in the trash. Home health medical supplies, including syringes, plastic tubing, and CPAP masks, may be disposed of in the trash. Syringes should be placed in a rigid container with a secure lid before throwing them away in the trash. Plastic bags, film, and shrink wrap are not acceptable in the recycling containers at your property. Instead, you can recycle plastic bags, film, or shrink wrap by taking them back to a local grocery store or retailer participating in the plastic film recycling program, or reuse them in your home. Keep all types of batteries out of trash and recycling containers. Improperly disposed batteries may result in trash fires. Bring batteries, all types of batteries, to a local retailer that provides recycling containers for batteries, or bring them to the household hazardous waste drop-off area at the Montgomery County Shady Grove Processing Facility and Transfer Station. Electronics, such as televisions, computers, laptops, and more, are recyclable in electronics recycling programs. Bring these items to the electronics recycling collection area at the Montgomery County Shady Grove Processing Facility and Transfer Station, or to a local retailer that provides recycling of electronics. In the kitchen, we can prevent food waste and maximize recycling by reducing wasted food and recycling food scraps. Check with your property manager and ask if they have a food scraps recycling program for residents. If you are frequently throwing food away, take a closer look at what and how much you're buying and cooking. Remember, food is too good to waste. Buy it, use it, cook it, save it. Recycling everything that can be recycled in Montgomery County and recycling right is important for all residents living in apartments and condominiums. Working together, we will achieve our goal to reduce waste and recycle more, aiming for zero waste. Thanks for helping to keep our land, air, and water clean and protecting our environment for our children's future. For more information, visit montgomerykountymd.gov/recycleright or call 311 or 240-777-0311.